Hi friends, in today's class we will be learning about how to understand equal groups of multiplication. Picture, if you see, there are equal groups of 3. So this is the first group of 3, this is a second group of 3, this is a third group of 3, and this is a fourth group of 3. The repeated addition equation for this picture is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 12. Let us write the repeated addition equation into a multiplication equation. So if you see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there are 4 groups, right? So there are 4 groups. 4 groups of 3. So we know 4 groups of 3 is 12. And how to write this 4 groups of 3 into a multiplication equation? So let's write this. Instead of groups, let's put times. 4 times 3 equals 12. Next, we will solve this question. The question says, draw a picture to show 2 times 3 equals 6. How will you draw a picture to show 2 times 3 equals 6? Always remember, in multiplication equation, the first number will be groups. The second number will be the size of the group. And the third number, which is the answer, will be, it's called the product. With this in mind, let us draw the picture for this multiplication equation. So how many groups should we draw here? We have to draw 2 groups, right? So let's draw 1 group and 2 groups. And 3 represent the size of the group. So let us draw 3 circles in the first group. And in the second group, let us draw 3 circles as well. Here if you see, the picture shows or represents the multiplication equation 2 times 3 equals 6. The 2 represents the group, number of groups. The 3 represents the size of each group. And 6 represents the product. This is how we make a picture for a multiplication equation.
Okay, so now let us solve a problem. Carolyn, Brian, and Martha share a box of chocolates. So this is a box of chocolates that the 3 friends have. Okay, so now they each get the same amount from this box of chocolate. They each get the same amount. What we have to do now is, they're asking us to circle the chocolates below to show 3 groups of 4. How to circle the chocolates below to show 3 groups of 4? 3 groups of 4. Okay, let's circle it. So this is the first group of 4. This is the second group of 4. And this is a third group of 4. Okay? Then write a repeated addition sentence and a multiplication sentence to represent the picture. How to write a repeated addition sentence for this picture? So the repeated addition sentence will be the first group of 4 plus the second group of 4 plus the third group of 4 equals the total. What is 4 plus 4 plus 4? We know 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12, right? So this is the repeated addition equation for this picture. Now let us do the multiplication equation for this picture. So we know 3 groups of 4, right? So 3 times 4 equals 12. So this is the multiplication equation for this picture, or this is the multiplication equation that represents this picture above. Now can you make a repeated addition equation for this picture that you see? So let us try. Okay, so we have in the first group we have 2 circles, so 2 plus. In the second group we have 2 circles, so again 2 plus. And in the third group we have 2 circles, right? So 2 plus. And in the fourth group we have 2 green circles, so 2 equals, we have to find the answer. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 becomes 8. This is the repeated addition equation for the picture above. Okay, so now let us do the multiplication sentence or the multiplication equation. Let's do it. So the multiplication equation for this picture, which is right here, is 2 times. So the multiplication is like, let's check. This is the first group, second group, third group, and fourth group, right? So we have 4 groups here. So let's write 4 groups of the size of each group. So what is the size of each group? So size of each group is 2 circles, right? So 4 groups of 2 equals product. What is the product? 8. So 4 represent the groups, the number of groups. 2 represents the size of the group, size of each group, and 8 will be the answer. The answer is called product. Can you draw a picture for this repeated addition equation? So let's see. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, the picture will be like so. Okay, let us make the picture 1, 2, 3. So in each group there will be 3, right? In each group there will be 3 circles. The second group will have 3 circles, and the third group also will have 3 circles. The multiplication sentence that represents this picture will be 3 times 3 equals 9. So this 3 represents the group, number of groups. So always remember, the first number represents the number of groups. The second number represents the size of each group, and the third number, which is the answer, represents the product. Okay? So the multiplication sentence will be 3 times 3 equals 9.